What's up, my people? How you all doing? Run out pandem. What we say? Run out pandem. Me say, guys, we're not supposed to use to me sitting down here so on the floor. But let me tell you a little bit about myself because I realized that I got a lot of subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining the bunch. I am a happy bunch here, and God bless you for joining my YouTube channel. But let me tell you a little bit about myself. You see when, alright, me's not a person who go live or so because me have my housework to do. Me always love do my house duties first before me do any video. Even for my other platform them. Anybody who know me, they always know say me always have to do my little house duty before me come sit down and lavish. Alright? So this little quarters now is where me come and sit down and relax myself and sit down and talk to my YouTube family. Because guess what? Me keep my circle very small in a real life. So you guys is my little friend. Yes, you guys is where me come and sit down and talk. Me can't count how much people me talk to these days. And man, I can't tell you how me feel good. So anyway, you guys is my little family. So when we come to sit down and talk about this evening, my people, me hear Mr. Carter say something and me no like it. Me no like it. And me I got a two voice record me I got play for now because as me say, I know everybody hear it, so a lot of people don't have TikTok. So if me play it here, so some people and more understand what me I talk about. So if you don't notice, me not use them photos, me just use the voice. That's so I can have an understanding of when me sit down and talk about. So me hear Mr. Carter you say something and me I tell you say me no feel good because him already mess up the situation already. Even though we already say him is not the first man we cheat and him definitely won't be the last. But as a social media influence, anytime certain things like this happen, people are gonna come out and talk. Right? Alright, listen this now. Me go over TikTok this morning and me I telling you say guys, you see that song the way that sing to the girl, me I telling you say that coming like say it is about to get viral in a TikTok. A whole heap of people me see with it go off of the tune. Boy. I mean know say when Chrissy see that, she is not going to feel happy. That thing I go break her down and make she feel away. And you know why me say that? Because when me used to in a my situation and my husband used to cheat on me, that before we married. He used to cheat on me and me used to walk up and down all about on the road at night time. I look for him, Sometimes me all up and down on the road with all my big belly. I look for him and them something they are ball and a stress. So me know where them something there can lead up to. And the reason why I am still with my husband today because me know say there is a possibility where this man can change because the person when me meet, me judge him from them time they him have a very good reasoning ability and we go through a lot of things. Me used to cuss him and talk all kind of sitting and argue with him bad, but through understanding and the love we get past that something there. So if a man is a cheater or him love woman and that man is willing to change, the woman can change him, that change would have to come from the man himself because me can't change him have to want that changes for himself. You understand? You see the day when him decide say me I go stop cheat and me I go stop run up and down. Me need for settle now. Me a big man. Yes. Anytime you see a man do that, you know say yes, done and dusted. But if the man not ready for settle down and him love woman like that, it a go be very hard in the relationship. And sometimes you go feel like say if you give up. But at the end of the day, Chrissy is supposed to know the one way suit her. Me can say it. And other people can't say what suit her. She is the one that know what suits her. Me hear a lot of people a cuss her and I say she fi left the man. No, I would never say something like that so she feel left the man. Because when me did I go through my calamity, people would have said to me, say, oh, you're a fool, man, left him. But me never did left him because me know what me want and me know what is best in me. So the same thing with Chrissy. She know what she want and she know what is best for her. Me can never tell somebody to leave their marriage, right? Because marriage is from God. Me can't tell nobody, say, come out of your marriage. I left him. Because remember, this is not a boyfriend and girlfriend or just baby mother. Them a husband and wife. They married. Me married too. Me no want nobody come tell me say me fi left my husband. Me supposed to know what suit me if you don't understand what I mean. Alright, now listen to this. Me hear Cushion say something. Me no like that way you say. Me no like it. Me know say sometimes you might feel a little weird or everybody just a bash you and a come down upon you, but you make things worse or you make people dislike the action even worse. Because me I go play one voice note. I want to listen to what him say. Right? Why me play it right here say now? Because I know everybody hear it. So if me play it here so at least some people can understand what me I talk about. Do you understand?
Let me get in my handsome look because you know, I think I'm looking handsome. See where I try to set you up dog. Leaving second chances. If my woman cheat back because me cheat, me I left her. You can't cheat because me cheat. Cheat because you want cheat. Don't come cheat because me cheat back. How we are up? Me left you. Don't help with me. Chrissy, I'm track up on you. Me not surprised. You hear she said? She watch man hard. She watch man hard.
You hear that, guys?
Let me get in my
I'm gonna play it
handsome
again.
look
I wanna
because
listen to him say. It's like
you
no
know,
remorse right
I
here,
think I'm
so.
looking handsome. See where I try to set you up dog. Leaving second chances. If my woman cheat back because me cheat, me I left her. You can't cheat because me cheat. Cheat because you want cheat. Don't come cheat because me cheat back. How we are up? Me left you. Don't help with me. Chrissy, I'm track up on you. Me not surprised. You hear she said? She watch man hard. She watch man hard.
You hear that, guys? So when me I say no, if him woman cheat upon him would have left her. You know what me I get from this? Me I get from this say that means say if it was a case where say a Chrissy cheat upon him straight, him would have left her. You understand? This seems very unfair. Him shouldn't even say something like this. And right now, him in the wrong. Because at the end of the day, as far as we may get to understand, him bring the girl from New York, come a Orlando, we spot him there. Right? So what about if it was Chrissy, bring one man from New York, come there so? No, we have to say the truth. That means say me that really get out of control and him that left her. Because at the end of the day, you have woman cheat too, and man cheat. And not just man alone cheat, woman cheat too. So that means say if she did bring a man and do the same thing where him do, him would have leave her. Hmm? And now him bring down this big thing. This is a terrible disgrace in our social media. And him wouldn't like the fact if Chrissy I go close the relationship. Him wouldn't feel good about it. You know the thing when me not like with men, them have this very selfish ways about them. Them don't like to lose. The man them don't like to lose, and it is so damn unfair. Why you don't want to lose, but if you are win, you're happy. No, because in a situation like this, him shouldn't even say something like that. If him woman I got cheat because him cheat, him I go left her, the ramp with me. I mostly see that in my own Jamaican man them, you know. Uno no like fi say sorry. Uno no like fi accept say uno wrong. Why is that? This is a straight out wrong thing. Is a straight out wrong thing. And this is a really big idiot thing. Right? Because anyway, Chrissy going at TikTok, she go see that song there when you sing to the girl. Hmm? And when, you know, it's like no respect there, the man. You mess up. Mr. Carter mess up bad. At the end of the day, you know, if Chrissy did go and cheat on him, right? And him hear she sing to a man something. Look on the disgrace, eh? The girl even come out and talk say the man something short. Eh? Here all them type of disgrace there. And look there, from the one girl come out, two other women come out. And you know, say me didn't know say something like that got happen, you know. Because I saw them people here stay, you know. Sometimes they will sit down and I need the quiet and know say them and the man have things and they feel afraid to come out and talk it. But as soon as they hear somebody say, oh, me and Mr. Carter did lie down over there. So then you hear say, yes, me and him did lie down over there so one time. Where all of them people they did there? Eh? As one story bus so everybody around come for them. But me I pray to God say the woman blood pressure alright. Because blood pressure no one easy something. Me that got through one problem one time. And me I tell her say when the blood pressure take me, I saw me feel my head boom, boom, boom. Blood pressure is not a easy something. And this, when Mr. Carter bring come in a social media, eh? It can send up anybody blood pressure. It can rise the blood pressure because stress will bring the blood pressure. Because before me used to have a blood pressure situation like if me I go my doctor or anything, I'm walk fast. And by the time me reach in the surgery and then take my blood pressure, them say, oh, me have to calm down because maybe because me that walk fast or so bring up the blood pressure. Then can you imagine when you're stressed and you hear bad news and something happen, the blood pressure can go up. Stress can cause the blood pressure to go up. And it's like said the man never had a think with him head. As we them say, and when we know, the man them think with yeah, not yeah. But if the woman them ever think with yeah and not yeah, them that kick out with backside. So what is good for the geese is good for the gander. You don't want nobody to cheat on you. I saw the wife no want nobody to cheat on her either. This is really awful, man. Anyway, big up on yourself and just let us keep them in our prayers because even if you say one word, it help. Because at the end of the day, none of we don't know our one and anything can happen. And as me said to you, sometimes I laugh at the situation and uno mind think say I laugh. But me I laugh because I've been there, I've passed through it. But the good grace of God make me overcome it. So anyway, big up on yourself and stay blessed and see you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye. Until later.